Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and are you using Facebook on Android? Does it keep on crashing? Well, we're going to fix that right after this. Okay, so you've got your Facebook app on your phone and it's constantly crashing. Now the best thing to do is, first of all, close the app altogether. Make sure it isn't running. Then click on Settings, or the Settings cog, and then look for Apps. So when you go into Apps, scroll down to find the Facebook app, and click on Facebook, and then click on Force Stop. And then you can go into Storage, and then you want to clear data and clear the cache. That's going to delete all of the app data and clear the cache. Once you've done that, you can restart your phone, go back into Facebook, log back in, and it should run absolutely perfectly. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. If it has, give me a big thumbs up. If not, let me know in the comments what your problems are and I'll see if I can sort them out for you. In the meantime, I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and this has been How To Fix Facebook on Android.